In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add keyframe on CapCut PC. So first, I input a video. It's my own video. So just select this video, clip, and going to video section. It's basic. Then you can see transform. Now you need to click add keyframe. One click. That's it. Now if you want to add it's right now here, then okay, so it's maybe some zoom here. Now okay, the second option, zoom out. So just keyframe, add keyframe, then so I have to zoom out on here. Okay, then again just on here, so I want to improve its zoom in. Okay, you can add anywhere as well as you need. So just if I play this video at the first beginning, the thousands of people who turned up at সংসদ Bhavan for the state of সংসদ, Soip Sharif Usman Hadi, a co-founder and spoke. So this is a method how you can add keyframe on CapCut PC. So if you found this video helpful, make sure like and subscribe the channel. See you in the car. Goodbye.